This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make $150 per image you upload now. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please hit that like button. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video to be seen on YouTube. And please drop a comment down below if you like what I'm talking about today. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss not one video that I drop. Now, I'm doing something a little bit different today. As you can see, you don't see me on the video. It's a new year, so I'm just trying something new. I've done this before and I want to go ahead and just try it again and see if you guys like this way of doing it, because I just want to get right to the method. I don't want to waste no time. So what you're going to do is going to go on Google and you're going to type this website. designcrowd.com. So let's go there. All right. So it says here, get the perfect custom design every time with the world's #1 custom design marketplace. So basically, they provide designs to companies. Now, right here it says our design services. So they provide logo design, business card design, web design, flyer design, graphic design, and t-shirt design. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to be providing these logos for companies. So you're going to go up here at the top and click on jobs. So right here it says freelance design jobs, contests, and work. Get paid to do what you love, find new clients, and build a successful freelance career when you join our global community of graphic designers on Design Crowd. So you can start earning. They've paid out over $53 million to graphic designers so far. You can reach a lot of clients. They got 227 open freelance graphic design jobs. And you'll be able to grow your freelance career here at this website. Join a community of 759,879 designers, and you can join for free. So, what you're going to be doing, let me scroll down here. All right, you're going to go where it says logo and branding jobs. Click that. And this is where you're going to be able to submit your design to get paid. Now let's look at one right quick. I'm gonna go a little bit faster because I got a couple of websites I want to show you, and I don't want to be too long on this video. So as you can see here, this first one right here, Stoic Coffee Company needs a logo design. So we need a logo for our new company based in Austin, Texas. So right here, they're paying $150 just for a logo. And here's another one, largest women custom show in Western Canada. And they need a logo, and they're paying $240. And here's another one, private logo design project. This project has been marked as private by the customer, but they need a logo which is they're paying $150 also. So you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a designer, I don't know how to design logos. Well, I'm gonna show you two sites right quick that you can use and you be able to make a logo less than 5 minutes. So let me go ahead and go over there right quick. Okay, I'm at the first logo website you're going to use to make your logo for those companies on Design Crowd. The first one is called canva.com. You may have heard that before. So here on Canva, they have logo templates you can use. So here's one template, here's another one, here's another one. So let's just click on this one right here. And then you click where it says use this template. And then you can click on it and put whatever you want to put. You can put whatever logo you want to put on here. You could type any text on here. And also you'll be able to go on here and search for logos that you want to add on here, because they provide that too. Now, let me show you another website where you can get logos done for you. You won't have to do anything. Let me go ahead and go to that website right quick. Again, this website is called canva.com. Okay, so I went ahead and typed in free logo services. Let me click on that. All right, make a free logo design in minutes. Design for free now. So here's the steps you're going to take. Enter your text, choose a design, customize, and save. So let me just go through the steps right quick. Click where it says try it out, try free now. So the first one, choose up to 3 logo styles. So I'm going to choose 3 right here. You're going to click next. Then choose up to 3 logo fonts. Choose the fonts, go to next. Then choose up to 3 logo layouts. So I'll choose 3 logo layouts. And voila, there's a logo. I've used this site before to demonstrate on another video I made for another site that does the same thing that Design Crowd does, which is 99 Designs. But that website is so oversaturated and has too many people on there that's trying to sell their logo there. So that's why I picked Design Crowd to go ahead and start making a logo, selling your logos there. So as you see, here's a lot of logos that this website has made just for you, and you didn't really have to do anything. So that's the steps you need to take to make this $150 per image that you upload. So go ahead and start now. Go to designcrowd.com and get started making that $150. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. Please hit the like button if you like what I talked about today. And please drop a comment if you have any questions about what I talked about today. Also, let me tell you about a little update on the free money that I'm going to give away here. The free money contest, I know I said before in my last video, you have to be the most active subscriber. But I'm going to go ahead and change that. All you need to do to win the free money is drop a comment down below, drop a creative comment. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you share my video on social media everywhere. And once I get to 2,500 or 3,000 this month, then I'm going to give away some free money to 2 people. So help me get to 2,500 or 3,000 subscribers. So like this month, if I get to 2,500 before the end of this month, I'm going to give away some free money. But if I get to 3,000 by the end of this month, I'm going to give away some free money to 2 people. So if I get 2,500, I'm going to give away some money to 1 person. If I make it 3,000 this month, I'm going to give away money to 2 people. So all I need you guys to do is share my video, drop a comment down below, make it a creative comment, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And please watch my videos all the way through. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. And I know this was a different style of doing my video. It's a new year, so I just want to try something different. If you guys want me to go back to the old style, I would do that. But I'm just doing this as an experiment to see what you guys think about me doing the video this way, and cutting out me showing myself and just going straight to the method. All right, that's it. I'm done with this video. I'd just like to say, Grind family, thank you for support. Keep supporting me, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content for you guys. It's 2020, and it's time to grind, time to make that money, become your own boss, and become financially free. One more thing before I leave. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Please go watch some other videos until a new one come out. Peace.